Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can review things on Earth. So this is a games. So at this website Neil.fun, you can cure your boredom with this Neil.fun games and other stuff that you can find, such as spend Bill Gates money. So you got 100 billion to spend. 100 billion, if I'm not mistaken, US dollar to spend. And also there's the auction game. You can guess the price, even design the next iPhone of your version. And now I want to show you the Earth review. So here you can review things on Earth, and you can review random things, such as even you can review babies. Here you can click babies, and this is so you can click to write your review. And here we go. Blobs of happiness makes happiness higher and are very good. A mini me. And other things like apartments. And you can find so many funny reviews. Midnight, even you can review a midnight time, the best time for snack, great time to cry, party, do whatever without the sleeping NPCs knowing. Midnight is the best mechanic in the game. You gain lots of health from resting, and overall just the best mechanic, but there are cons such as bats and moths. Perfect time to be lying awake thinking, I should really be going to sleep, but I cannot for literally no reason whatsoever. Good stuff, developers. And here click to write your review. So you can go with anonymous and type your review and give a star. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.